If you forgot the screen lock password PIN pattern, trying repeatedly but it's not working, then in this video we're going to show you how you can remove the password and unlock your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and Plus again. Now first of all, try to unlock your phone for consecutive times. After several attempts, if you see the forgot option, tap on it and you can unlock your phone with the previously set different type of screen lock and reset your screen lock pattern. If you're not getting the forgot option, or if you've just set the PIN for screen lock and forgot it, then go to our expert. Before we go, please remember for that you need to hard reset your phone, and this will delete and erase all data. And also, if you've logged in with a Google account on your phone, you must have that ID and password, because otherwise it won't be able to set up your phone again. If you're fine with that, next go ahead, connect your phone with a cable with any device like a PC, laptop, tab or phone, whatever you have that's turned on. Except charger, it won't work. When they're properly connected, you get the charging indication, and then press and hold the volume down and power button together until your phone completely shuts down. When the screen goes black, release the volume down button, keep pressing the power button, and then press power and volume up button together until you see Samsung's logo again. Release the buttons when you see the logo, and in a moment you will enter into recovery mode. Use the volume down button 3 steps to wipe data and factory reset. Confirm it with the power button, go down to factory data reset, and as we've told earlier, this will delete and erase all data from your phone. If you still want to do it, just go ahead, select factory data reset. After the factory reset process is complete, just go ahead, reboot or restore your phone again. Now go ahead, follow the prompts from this welcome page and proceed to set up your phone again. And when prompted, since we have forgot our screen lock password, choose and use your Google account that was previously signed into your phone. And then when prompted, you can set up a new PIN, password, pattern, whatever you want. You can also skip it if you wish. Now the thing is, you can now access your phone. So that's how you can remove the forgot PIN, password, pattern on your Samsung S24 series phone and access and unlock your phone again. Thank you for watching.